All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the length of your chain on a chain chandelier or a chain light fixture. So first you're just going to want to loosen the lock nut, drop the canopy or the cover, and this will actually go down a little bit further. I just kind of pushed it out of the way and then grab my drill and then remove the screws. If you can reach the wire nuts first, it would be a lot easier to unwire it first and then just unwire it first and then unscrew it, and then it'll just come right out of the ceiling, come right off the ceiling. Right now I just have it hanging, so probably not the best for it, but it's only going to be for a few seconds, so I wasn't too concerned. And you probably want to figure out the height that you want to adjust it before you start unscrewing it from the ceiling. I just kind of held it up and figured out I needed to take about a foot out of the chains, which was about 10 links, I believe. So once I figured out that I want to take 10 links out, I just unwired it and then brought it down, and then I pushed the wire back out through the rod, which went through the canopy. So I pulled the wire out and then I unhooked the first link, hooking it to the rod, and then went down to the 10 links, and then once again took that apart and then pulled the wire back through. And then next I will put the rod link back together with the chain now that it's 10 links shorter. So this is just the process of taking off the links. Just use your 2 channel locks and spread it apart, and then use your 2 channel locks to put it back together, and then I used 1 pair of channel locks to close it the long way if it was sticking out too far or too spread apart. Don't forget to close it as best as you can, and then try to feed the wire back through the rod, which is the hard part. The easiest way to do that is just to tape them together, or you can do just the light fixture wires first, and then I taped the ground on second, so I kind of screwed up, but got it to work. And then next you're going to just reverse the process, and the easiest thing to do is just to screw the light fixture up first so you don't have to hold it the whole time and have it hanging again from the wires. So just take your 2 screws, screw it up to the box, and then it'll be able to hang there by itself, and then you can wire it back in. And the thing that I did was not cutting the wires any shorter, so as you can see my wires are really long. So when I took out my 10 links, my wire is still that length. So just say it's 12 inches, so I got the extra 12 inches of wire there. So I left it long, so in case if I ever want to drop the light back down, I'm not going to be in trouble. If I cut the wire off, then I'll never be able to drop it down a foot again. So I left it long in case I wanted to drop it. I wired it back up, tested it out, make sure it works, just in case. And then also testing the walking under it, testing it out, making sure I'm not going to hit my head if that's the right length. If it's not, then you'll have to take it down and adjust it again, take out some more links. And then I went ahead and did reground it to the support piece up there. I forgot the name of that real quick. And then went ahead and just stuffed all the wires back in there, and then put the canopy back up, and then the lock nut, and then there you have it. So that's how you change the height of your hanging light fixture. And then I did adjust it because I noticed that it wasn't quite over the whole box in the ceiling, so I wanted to make sure that it was completely covered. And then I also adjusted the wire, making sure that the light is hanging from the chain and not from the light, just making sure it's not, the wire wasn't loose and pushing any extra back up into the ceiling. And then from there, because this light is a piece of trash, I had to adjust it and spread out the lights just to make it look level. I don't know why this is so unlevel for me, but I went ahead and adjusted the lights to make it level hanging straight, and then went ahead and turned it back on, make sure everything was working, and then you're good to go if you don't have any problems. There you have it, guys. Hope this helped you out. Don't forget to drop a like on the video if it helped you out. I'd appreciate it. Check the description for anything else. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more electrical videos and how-to videos. If you guys want to learn anything in the electrical world, I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. I appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.